少し。
どこ行ったあげは。
Hmm?
February has a lot of viruses.
So this is the way. Your mother refused because she wanted to go through like a car. We are humans.
Where is this? I see cars.
Exactly.
The bike parking lot, but I see cars in a little bit further. A little bit further. I'm hot.
Yeah. See?
So we just could have gone there.
Yep. Would have been shorter, cooler, less tiring,
Because it have only straight lines
and a lot of shadows, a lot of shades.
and it doesn't have so long stairs. Idly. I wonder if they're already here.
That's not possible. I'll cut my thing if they're here already.
What? You're gonna what?
I'll cut my thing.
You're cut what? Why?
That's how sure I am. That's how confident I am that they are not here. Just get it.
Here hurts. I think I've been walking for too long.
There we just need to find